Hello, my name is Melina Copeland, and today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment using the Attach File option. Now, when you have an assignment, you should always look at the due date, the amount of points that the assignment is worth, and how your teacher wants you to submit your homework assignment. In this case, the teacher wants you to submit a file upload. Now, before you submit, always make sure you follow the directions of each assignment very carefully and answer every question listed. If you have any questions, you can ask the teacher. To get started, you'll click Submit Assignment, scroll down, click Choose File, select the file you wish, whether it be a picture, a document, a video, click Open, and then you can type a comment or click Submit Assignment. Sometimes you can add two files if the teacher has allowed that and would like you to. By clicking Add Another File, you can click Choose File, select your file, choose Open, and then once again you can write comments about your files, and you can also just click Submit Your Assignment. Now, be aware that some teachers have limits on what kind of files you're allowed to upload. So if you're having problems, it might be because your teacher doesn't accept MP4 files or JPEG files or GIFs or other kinds of files. So that might be the issue. Simply click Submit Assignment when you're done and ready. And after you submit, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, it says Submitted, and it lists the date and the time of your submission, as well as the files. And if you click on them, you'll be able to see them. Make sure that you download the correct files, because you cannot erase the files once you send them, and your teacher will see them. And there's nothing you can do about it. So be very careful with which files you send to your teacher. Thank you, and I hope this helps.